And joining us in the caf, we've got a touch of Hollywood glamour with an interstellar star.
Oh, it's Jessica Chastain, everyone!
Hello, my darling.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm so excited to see you.
Thank you.
First time in Southend, by any chance?
Definitely. I was really scared by the trolley, but it was a
Really?
lot of fun.
They pushed you in the trolley?
We call that a trolley in the United States. Is that a train
It's
here?
a train here.
Oh.
Everything's big in the States.
Can I get you a cup of tea, a wine?
I would love an Earl Grey.
Oh, very nice. Stylish. I
Thank
like
you.
this.
Jessica, looking at your films, you've played so many different roles. I mean,
yeah.
convicted felon in Molly's Game, which is great.
No, thanks.
Astronaut.
Astronauts, right? Matt Damon would still be in space.
Yes, if it wasn't for you. And Zero Dark 30. I mean, that has you on the edge of your seat. Is that something you do on purpose, to choose such a diversity of roles?
Yeah, I mean, I guess it would be like eating the same food every day. You know, you want a diversity of flavor and experiences.
So what are you working on at the moment?
I just did the sequel to It.
Oh,
Yeah?
that terrified me.
Wait till you see the next one.
To be honest, I've always been scared of clowns. They freak me out.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it, or was it quite scary on set?
When you're on set, it's a bit silly. Like,
When you're behind the sofa, it's not. And what's your favourite character to play?
you know, probably the most fun I've ever had was The Help.
That was a great film.
She was really soft and sweet, but also kind of goofy.
Right.
I like playing really strong and intelligent female characters because I love celebrating women like that. But sometimes it's nice to play someone who's just all heart, and so
Yeah.
I had a good time.
You got to learn how to make the ultimate southern fried chicken.
Well, the funny thing is, in the film, Octavia Spencer, who plays Minnie, teaches my character Celia how to make fried chicken, and it's the best thing in the world. And in real life, because I'm vegan, they made me like a fake chicken. Yeah, it actually was pretty disgusting. They took a popsicle stick, and then they make a vegan tofu hot dog over it, and then maybe wrap it in tortilla. I
You should have
know.
called me. This meeting's too late. I would have been over straight away. Would you call yourself a cook or a non-cook?
I would call myself a cook, but not a chef, maybe.
Right. How long have you been a vegan?
14 years.
So before it was trendy.
I know, can you believe
you
it?
were the original.
I know, I would say that I was vegan and they would just look at me like, what is that? My husband's Italian. And when Gianluca and I first started dating and I first stared going to Italy, I would say that, and then they would offer me fish or, you know.
Americano.
eggs. Yeah. And I was the first vegan in my family, and then it's like a cult or religion. I was the first. And then my mom came to visit me in Los Angeles, and we started going to some restaurants, and while she was with me, she was like, I'm just gonna eat vegan food for the 3 weeks that I'm here. And she actually lost a ton of weight, and she had so much energy that she went home and became vegan, and there were no restaurants in her area, so she decided, okay, I'm gonna learn vegan food, and I'm gonna open a restaurant.
No way.
Yeah, so she opened a restaurant, and then I got her a food truck.
So now she's mobile. That's
Yeah.
amazing. You are the inspiration for our vegan show.
Oh my God.
So most of these people are meat eaters.
You guys scared?
Right, so I want to get cooking. I've got a lovely little treat for you. You hungry?
Yes.
You hungry?
Yes.
Right, I better get cooking. So, my lovely people,
Oh, look at that.
this is all sustainable fish.
Jamie, thank you so much.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that. Jealous bit?
So, my friend,
It's stunning, Jamie.
oh, thank you.
There's almost a kind of bitterness in the...
Celery leaves.
Yeah, in the celery leaves, and then the sweetness of the tomato. It's truly delicious.
Oh, yeah. Have you ever worked in a restaurant?
Yeah, there's the Hotel de Paris in Cromer, and I used to do the odd Christmas season. I've never worked so hard in my life.
Tell you what's always scary, Stephen.
Yeah.
Check this out. Guys, are you hungry?
Whoa! It's coming, and it'll be worth it. Thank you.
Go for it, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I serve you? We have here a seafood risotto that I hope will be to Madam's liking.
It's just a great combination of everything. Absolutely amazing.
All the best things in the coastline. And if there's a problem, we can sack the chef easily. There are 100 more where we found him.
Absolutely love how the tomatoes literally pop into your mouth.
It's so sort of fresh and tasty.
So you've clearly got a love for food. Did you ever cook growing up?
My parents had, it was a biggish house. I mean, in fact, you can see it over there.
That's a photo here.
Yeah. And you can see it's got a proper kitchen garden. And there were orchards and, there's apple trees there, I remember, and my parents employed this wonderful woman called Mrs. Riseborough who cooked, Mrs. R. And she taught me a few things. She used to make egg custards, treacle tart, apple pies, and she was wonderful.
And I'm presuming she was sort of a mother figure.
She was terrifically so, yeah. But she taught me how to, I'm sure you can do this, to do a rose for the centre of a pie on your
bless.
thumb.
Yeah,
she
yeah,
was
yeah.
a plain but good cook. She was wonderful at pastry. And I mean, you'll know there is this thing, people talk about having pastry hands. I have very warm hands, so they're not good pastry. Yours are very warm.
Well, you know what your best friend is as well, pastry.
Yes, marble, yes.
Yeah, and me. But we always like to try and rekindle some memories through food.
Yeah.
And the apple pie is a beautiful thing. And I wanted to sort of try and take you back to this kitchen. So we drove down to here.
You didn't?
And we tried to get some apples
Oh.
from the gardener. It's still known as the Fry House.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Good God.
But hilariously, the family's on holiday. But we went around the village and we got apples from literally next door. So they are the same apples from your childhood.
I'm going to cry.
And then I thought, right, we're going to make some amazing pastry. And we're going to get over this warm hands fallacy.
I'm so touched. I really am.
What we're going to do is we're going to pick it up from Mrs. R. And completely take it to the next level. Let's just say that we are going to vajazzle a pie like you will never believe.